In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put together a support page or a frequently asked questions page like this using UberSupport. So this is one that I put together for our website, Park Model Dealership, where we answer questions about some of the features of the products that we are selling in the tiny home space. And here's the back end of it. I'll go ahead and bring you into UberSupport. So I've gone ahead and logged into my account. I have just two support sites here, one for my Bear on Marketing site and one for Park Model Dealership. And I'm going to go into the Manage section. Now, there's general information about it. So in this case, here's the name of the site. I could create a description if I want, contact email address, the subdomain for it, so it's ubersupport.co/guide/something. In this case, we have tiny home. Heading, things like, how can we help you? Subheadings, find answers to frequently asked questions, and that you'll see over here, right? How can we help you? Find answers to frequently asked questions. You can put some footer code in here if you want to put some tracking code, as well as some other information on the contact page and a link to a website. Then there's just some basic colors, blue, red, green, and black that you can use for the site design. I use black for this one. So that's that. Then let's go into the Manage section again, and you'll see that there's three sections here, or three additional options here: Categories, Articles, and then Embed. So the categories is the headers. So in here I have features, frequently asked questions, floor plans, and dealer questions. Again, over here you'll see features, frequently asked questions, floor plans, and dealer questions. So these are sort of the general areas, and then within them we have individual articles. And so here are the articles. So when you create an article, I'll add article here, you have to define the category, and then you can go ahead and bank it or post it within a particular category. So I just created a new article. I'll go ahead and edit it here, and you can see, here's our new article. I'll just write title. Here is the content, and then I can choose which category it goes in. So dealer questions. Let's go ahead and hit save. Now I can, in addition to this, I could do things like, if I want to put in a video or an image, I can, find an image that I want to put in, or I can go over here to the source code and, put a source for a video. So let's say I wanted to grab a YouTube embed code. I could do that here and have a video inside. So there's a bunch of different options. Obviously, I don't know, link content. It's a very basic HTML editor here, or editor in general here. I can go ahead and put, google.com, and now the word content will link over to Google. So that's that. Let's go ahead and hit save. And remember, this is in dealer questions. It's called new article title, and here is the content. So let's go over to the site. I'm just going to refresh this page. And let's go down to dealer questions, new article title. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on new article title. Here is the content. Content is a link that goes over to Google. So there you go. Now, was this article helpful? Yes or no? If you have additional questions, you can submit a request by going over to the Contact Us page. The Contact Us page has that customized information here, and people can submit additional questions that you can then use to identify some additional frequently asked question answers on your support page as well. Finally, our last option on this little drop-down menu is Embed. And when I click that, you'll see that there's an embed code here. So let's say I wanted to put this inside of a page on my website called bearonmarketing.com/support or FAQs or something like that. I could actually embed the entirety of this whole support series of articles inside of a website as well. So I simply would copy this and then put it inside of a page using the HTML editor of my website, and it would show up as an iframe or inside of an iframe inside of my website. So those are the options. Again, edit the general information, set your categories, create your articles within each category, and then if you wish to embed it on your website, you have the ability to do that via an iframe. So that's your tutorial for UberSupport. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to hit us up in our support.